Welcome back to Shortcut. Today we are exploring one of the fundamental concepts in DBMS, that is transaction. Transaction ensure that database remain constant, reliable and efficient even in complex multi-user environments. Stay tuned as we break down what transactions are, their properties and why they are essential. Let's see what is a transaction. A transaction in DBMS is a sequence of operations performed as a single logic unit of work. It ensures that the database remains constant by either completely executing or completely rolling back if any issue occurs. Examples just like transferring money between bank accounts, booking a ticket in an online reservation system, updating stock labels in an environment system. Let's see the ACID properties of transactions. To maintain database consistency, every transaction must satisfy the ACID properties. Means atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Let's break them down. Atomicity. A transaction is all or nothing. Either is fully completes or rolls back entirely. Consistency means ensures that the database transactions from one register to another. Isolation means concurrent transactions do not interfere with each other. Durability means once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent, even in case of system failure. Let's see the transaction states. Transactions pass through several states during their life cycle. Let's understand these states. State of transactions are active state when the transaction starts and operations are being performed. Partially committed when all operations are complete but the transaction is not yet finalized. Committed when the transaction is successfully completed. Failed means if any issue occurs during the transaction. Aborted when the transaction rolls back and the database returns to its previous state. And that's all about transactions in DBMS. Transaction plays a critical role in ensuring data reliability and consistency. If you found this video helpful, like the video to support our channel. Subscribe to Shortgate for more DBMS insights. Share your questions or topics requests in the comment below. Stay tuned for deep dives into DBMS concepts. Until then, happy learning and keep preparing for Gate.